Hey everyone, Manero here, and in this video I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of June are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated on last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you don't know what my challenge of the month is, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media using the hashtags Manero Brushes and Manero Challenge, and feel free to include this image in your post. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for June is a weird dream. Weird dreams are like the ultimate playground for your imagination. They transport you to places you never thought possible and introduce you to a cast of characters that could only exist in your wildest dreams. Imagine floating through a sky made of cotton candy, or having a deep conversation with a talking elephant. In these dreams, the ordinary becomes extraordinary and the impossible becomes possible. It's a chance to let your creativity run wild and embrace the unexpected. That's why I thought it would be a really cool topic for this month's challenge. I can't wait to see how you interpret and bring your own weird dreams to life through your artwork. Remember, you have this month's exclusive Procreate brush and color palette to help you create something truly unique and extraordinary. As for me, I came up with this quirky idea of a clockwork denture toy with a snake emerging from its mouth. Honestly, I struggle to recall specific dreams from the past. Only a select few lucky ones manage to linger in my memory. But surely I have dreamed of very similar concepts, where an everyday item becomes irrationally scary for a second and you wake up all shaky. So don't worry if you can't recall specific dreams. Just let your imagination run wild. Think about those moments when something ordinary in your dream took on an irrational and unsettling nature. Maybe you encountered a floating toaster shooting rainbow lasers, or a talking tree with a mischievous grin. Let these dream fragments inspire you as you create your artwork for this month's challenge. Remember, when it comes to exploring weird dreams in your art, just let your creativity run wild. Take inspiration from your own experiences and those dream fragments that stuck with you. Mix and match things that don't usually go together. Challenge what's considered normal and break the limits of imagination. Don't forget that art is all about expressing yourself, and every interpretation of a weird dream is as special as the dream itself. So throw away the rulebook and let your imagination take the wheel. Trust your instincts, try new techniques, and have lots of fun. And this is the final result to my own take on the challenge. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page where you will find the challenge of the month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.